Hi kids, let's learn with Faheem Shaheen. Welcome to my channel. My school. My school name is Shaheen School. It is big and beautiful. I go to school by bus. My teacher is kind. She loves us very much. I love my classroom. I learn many books. I like to read books. I like to study in the open air. I play with my friends at school. I love my school very much.